Alright, gonna do a video on another JB-12 I picked up recently. Not a bad looking, definitely not mint. Looks like somebody painted it, repainted it, both top and bottom, and they put the panel or overlay over the top, and you can see it's peeling at the top a little bit, but all in all looks pretty good. Fairly original, except for the paint job, and that eagle of course did not come with it. And these are the bad parts out of it. Recapped it, the big blue caps are the power supply, electrolytics, the resistors, brown guys here on top, those are the bleeders. I put new bleeders in there. This cap here was actually the SSB delay for the relay replaced, and this one here went to the bias, and they killed the bias in it. This here was the main power fuse, and the amp requires a 3 amp fuse, and somebody soldered pigtails right to the fuse, and of course this fuse is a 20 amp, so they put in a 20 amp fuse in a little JB-12, and plus the fuse ended up touching the bias and killed it. Also, that's the bias that it touched to, the fuse, and killed the resistor, and that's the zener. So all that's changed, and got it on standby. And that's the radio, what it's doing, audio, radio by itself. Now we're gonna, on average, JB-12 on, got the dead key dial down. Audio. Again, it's dialed down, and yeah, and that's the radio. Audio. Radio by itself. JB-12 on average. And we're going to put it on peak. Radio on peak. Getting a little squealed in there, I think. Audio. Radio on peak. And we're gonna put the JB-12 audio. Oh, well, heck of a difference, eh? That's the JB-12 on peak. We'll go to the 200 watt scale for it. Audio. So it's dead keying about 2 and swinging to about 30 on peak, and it'd go up from there. If I dial it up to like 5-6 dead watts dead key, it would swing to about 50, and that's about all it'd do max. And that's it there with it on. Audio. And we're gonna turn it off, take the cover off, and I need 2 hands, I guess. And that's the top with the this is an older one with the 6AQ5 key-in tube and the 6BQ5 power tube, which the JB-12s have. And last, we're gonna take the bottom cover off and show some under the dress inside amp porn. And you can see the new caps, black, and the blue bleeder resistors. Some new caps, the bias over here. That white guy is the fuse holder now. So instead of that open fuse touching stuff, we got, an encased plastic fuse holder and the right fuse in it. This neon bulb here was bad also, and got a new neon in it, sticking up. And that's about it for this little JB-12. does what it's supposed to do. Not a bad one here. Alright, that's it for this one. Bye.